Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video, we will learn a spoken structure. With this structure, we can make many sentences. Our structure is لا أعرف كيف dash, and in this dash, we will use فعل المضارع, which means the present verb. Let's see some examples. لا أعرف, which means I don't know. كيف means how. And then we need to use verbs in a present form. Let's say we are using أكتب. أكتب means I write. Whenever we put أكتب in the sentence لا أعرف كيف أكتب, which means I don't know how to write. Let's see another example. لا أعرف كيف أدرس. I don't know how to study. لا أعرف كيف أقرأ. I don't know how to read. لا أعرف كيف أنظر. I don't know how to look. This is how we can make many sentences and express ourselves in the Arabic language. Hope you understand this video. Follow to get more.